What up, Speed fam? Back at it with another banger here. Coming at you live. What's up, babe?
Hi.
We got some new shelves in today. You see right here, I'm gonna be going along this area. Need to get the garage looking a little fly, all right? Oh shit, baby! All right, let's do this. Boom. All right, y'all. Ingredients and now. I'm not gonna make you guys sit through the whole setup process, so we'll speed that up here in a few minutes. Got some instructions. So that's what it's gonna look like. All right, so. Once again, y'all, second time around and having some bad luck with this shelf here. Got it from the good old Sam's World. And let me show you what's going on. All right, look at this. We have a good old bend right here. I could straighten it out, but why should you have to? Should be straight like these ones. Last time we took back the whole box. This time ain't happening. Alright, Speed fam, we back. Went to Sam's Club, picked up some replacement parts. Ooh, no more bends, nice and spicy. What's up, baby? Alright, let's get back to it, fam. Let's speed it up, something like this. Ooh, that thing looks nice. Cherry, baby, cherry. All right, just finish up some finishing touches and be moving the hood to where the toolbox is, toolbox to the front of the garage because, you know, that's where all the magic goes down on this baby. And then from there, I have a few of these custom things that I need to put up on the side. Some little holes right here. We're on the way. Sweep it up. Sweep it up. You got stage fright?
What's up? Yo, like, subscribe.
Subscribe, yeah. Hell yeah.
Click the like button.
Click the like button. Don't forget, right?
Yeah.
Sweep it up. Sweep it up.
I think I'm done now.
Okay, you're all done? Found it. It's a little jacked up. Couldn't pull the job off quick enough. Got a flat tire, lost it. Good to see that the wheel might be in good shape still, but we won't know. What up, y'all? You won't even believe the shit that I've been through. Look, we got a Honda Civic, Honda Fit. Still trying to get the Mazda out of the garage, but shit keeps happening. Let's get into the gist of it, see what's going on. When they stole it, jacked up the good old ignition, and literally you just put a screwdriver in that bitch, twist it, start right up. That's exactly what they did. Drove right on out and then took off. But of course they hit a curb. It was snowing that day. Seems like what I'm thinking is right outside of my driveway, it's a really tight turn. So that morning when I was chasing them, hit the window, they hit the curb. And I think this is where it happened. I'm not sure how much damage is done yet. I was thinking that the subframe got pushed back. Doesn't look too bad, to be honest. All right, let's get it done. Wheel shredded, but luckily doesn't look too bad of shape. So, I mean, I think that's gonna be reusable. But hey, guess what? I got another one on the deck, dog.
I just want an iced out AP. I just want a ball. I just want a black Mercedes. I just want a ball. About to hit the mall and go crazy. I just want a ball. I just want a ball. I just want a ball. Yeah. Back when I was young, I was broke as shit. Used to take the nation through my outfits. Always know I push right through the shit. Now my life is totally the opposite. Got a big bag, ain't no stopping me. If I want that shit, then I'm copping it. Haters just mad, they incompetent. No, I'm not cocky, just confident.
Back to normal. Oh shit.
It fell out. It's okay, right?
Yeah. All right, y'all. We in the Speed Fam headquarters out here. I know the last video was just kind of a random one. You know, my Civic did get stolen, unfortunately. That same day we found it though. I ended up fixing it. Got it in tip-top shape. A few months after that, what ended up happening is I hit up a buddy of mine and I asked him if he knew anybody that might be interested in buying the Civic. And he actually told me he was interested in buying it himself. So I ended up selling the Civic. I'll throw in a video here so that way you can see it actually driving off. It's a sad day.
Why is it a sad day?
It's a very sad day. Unfortunately, you know, we have to deal with thieves and that sort of stuff. But, you know, at the end of the day, all that matters is that me and my family were safe. Nobody got hurt. A car is just a car. I mean, I know it has a lot of sentimental value, but we're breathing, we're living. That's the number one thing. Also, I want to show you what I've got going on here, how it looks all set up after we set up the shelves too. All right, fam, so we got our shelving put up. First row, obviously just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. Second row, gonna be my intake, intercooler pipes. Third row, coil packs, intake manifold, GTX 3071. Got the toolbox. I know I said I was gonna put it up front, but I think it just looks better here all together. But yeah, I hope you're liking it. I also want to take a moment, thank y'all for subscribing. I think we're at 53 subscribers so far, 215 views on the last video. And I believe we were somewhere in the ballpark of 20 to 30 likes. I definitely appreciate it. Stay tuned because there's nothing but more. There's going to be a lot more content on the Speed. I also have the complete transformation of a fit. You know, I definitely appreciate y'all for hanging in there with me and continuing to show your love. All right, Speed fam, that's gonna do it for this one. Stay tuned for the next episode next Thursday. Dropping always at 11 Pacific time, 12 p.m. Mountain time, because I know that's where y'all are. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Till next time, we'll see you on the flip side. Take it easy, Speed fam.
I just wanna ball.
I just wanna ball.
I just wanna ball.
Yeah.
I just want an iced out AP. I just wanna ball. I just want a black Mercedes. I just wanna ball. About to hit the mall and go crazy.